Good morning, guys. In front of me is TCL 405, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number assigned to this phone. So we've got two options. The first one is to open your phone dialer, enroll keypad, and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here you've got device information with both IMEI numbers over here. Tap on OK to exit, and now you can also find IMEI via settings. To do it, open the settings, scroll, actually go to the About Phone, which is located under System, I guess. Yeah, so here it is. So under System, then go to About Phone, and now scroll a bit lower. Now select Status, and here you can read your IMEI numbers. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.